All right, here's some heads we're working on. What was that question, Mario?
You got a mouse?
So in order to repair this crack, you grind it all out like that, and then you just fill it with material, and then just re-tap it and.
Yeah, you put some super snot in there. It's right over here.
Super snot.
Super snot. Here's some super snot right here.
Okay.
So you convert this into a round rod into a puddle of crap, and then you fill that whole thing in, and then you get your drill out and you put a new hole in it.
Ah.
That's how you're supposed to do it.
And you're going to fill around the edges so that it fits better.
Okay, now Fred was over here working. Fred was working. He had his shoes on today. Look at that.
I got some shoes on.
I even got my boots on today.
Unsafety shoes on.
So Fred was back here playing. It looks like. So he cut the whole edge out here by mistake. So this one didn't have it because it's an early head. This one he left the lip on there like I told him to.
No, wait a second. Let's wait a second. Back up. Look at the difference between that lip. I wouldn't have cut that lip out. And look at the difference between this one and this one. There's nothing there.
This is an early head. It don't have a lip. See, it's a 74-inch head. See these fins over here? That's a 74-inch head. See this head over here? It's an 80-inch head. No lip, no fins.
But they didn't. It also did not have much.
74-inch heads don't have the lip. 80-inch heads
I barely
do.
touched this.
You barely cut it. Yeah. Okay, now the next thing you gotta do is, you see how you got this hole you made right here?
What's that?
You see how you get that dimple in there? It's hard to weld that area, so cut that back a little bit further here.
On all of them.
So it's more of a straight shot. Because when you put a hole like that, it just blows back in your face. The torch just blows in your face and doesn't want to weld in there.
So you don't want me to have
So you can't have a hole like that. It's really hard to fill it in. So go ahead and cut out the whole side more, V it out more like you do over here.
right there?
And then V
Right there?
and cut this out here.
Right there?
Pull back a little bit. So cut this back down about an 1/8 inch deeper and wider. And this one here, you got the same big hole going. And you see how you got that?
I've got a hole in all of them, dude.
You see that unmachined grinding area right at the very bottom?
Yeah.
That actually does not want to melt when it's like that.
Okay.
It's kind of like almost an
Same
impurity.
there. I got.
And this one here, the same thing. So quit digging your bore in there. That breaks those bits too when you do it like that. It doesn't like it.
Yeah, I know.
Somebody's got some safety gear. I don't know what these things. What are these things?
Keep all the crap that's already in my eyes out.
Okay. Now I put this over here so you can work on it a little bit easier instead of being up at an angle like you had going this way. Now see, now you come over here to the grinder. Either this one or this one.
Here's the big one.
The big one, the one that's loading up here because you didn't put enough goop on it. Yeah. So if you come in there like this and just cut kind of like straight in, and at a V angle, it'll automatically cut the depth in there for you. So it's going way under there. Now, is this an 80-inch head? Because there's no lip.
No.
Oh, it means what? There's no
It's
lip.
a 74.
It's a 74 inch. See, that's
74. See, I told you that.
You knew that. See, Fred's getting smart. Now here's the other grinder. This one makes more noise than the electric because it connects to this air line.
No, this one, it doesn't sound noisy until it goes in there, and then it gets real ugly.
It also sounds like it's loaded up.
Well, I gotta clean it out.
So it looks like it's loading up a little bit. So
Loading up
see
a
it's
lot.
loading up right there? See that load up part? Okay, now go over there and put in the dip over there. Now this is TIG torch welding dip. Stick it in. Lift it up a little bit. Hit the button. There, another. See, that way it doesn't look like this on the outside of the container. Yeah, sure.
I didn't do that. You know,
Yeah,
it's
sure.
the same as the oiling the thing. I picked up one, and it spewed out a
Well, I
freaking-
give you for a fact it wasn't like that when I started. Okay, now go over and hit this again to listen to the difference in how it sounds. He didn't have his glass out, so he's got shit in his face already. Look at that. Got to be safe around here. You notice how it sounded a lot different?
That's really good too.
Yeah, it does. Now, you notice how it started hopping on you when you got too big of an area?
Yeah.
So that means it's time to move over to here and start cutting. 'Cause
Really?
it doesn't like cutting in a cup like that.
Really?
Yes, that is really a fact. Now, why don't you put some more goop on that thing? Now, if you had more of an open cutter like that, it wouldn't plug up as much. But you still got to put goop on there. Yeah, look at that. Good job. He's learning. Go for it.
You know, luckily you don't have this on that I just like making a mess.
Dig the tip in a little more too. How loaded up is it getting? Is it getting loaded up? Is that why it's not cutting or what?
No, it just slows the cutting, and then I unload it. Gonna picture this all the way through till I get it cut right.
Can you do it right? Are you doing it right?
Well, I'm gonna go down further now.
Oh, okay, good job.
I'm ready to move in deeper.
You're gonna move in deeper now. Going for it. Getting dangerous now.
Okay, let's put some air in there and we'll see what it looks like now before we cut it further.
You know what it looks like?
Well, I don't know. I'm just
Here, hold on to this. I'll show you what it
entertaining
looks
these
like.
guys.
Here, let me show you what it looks like. Here. Hold that. Let me get some air in there for you.
perfect.
See, this is self-cleaning because the air comes out the front. You can't get the broom to blow it up. See, this has air coming out the front, so it keeps the port clean.
All right, so here we are.
That's one thing about the electric grinder. It doesn't blow the shit out. It blows it in your face, whereas this blows it into the port.
You know.
So there you go. All right, so the
They
old
want them all looking like.
the old coarse bits help a lot. Now this grinder's worn out. That's why I couldn't get much power to it, but it still worked. All right, so there's how you do it. So that's, see how you go a little bit deeper in there like that? That's how you want to do it.
Thank you.
Okay, good to go.
I'll go back and
Fred's
do the rest of
happy.
it. That one's okay.